Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse. In this video, we are checking out this Ford F-150 that we have outfitted with the BAK Revolver X4TS tonneau cover. The X4TS is a new variant of the Revolver X4S. It retains the same reinforced soft roll-up style, but adds an integrated rail system running the length of the truck bed, designed to be used with the Truxedo Elevate truck rack. This specific model X4TS will fit the Ford F-150 from model years 2015 to 2020 with the 6-foot 7-inch bed. The part number for this configuration is 80327RK. Constructed with high-strength aluminum and marine-grade vinyl, the X4TS is a durable and smooth operating cover that is built to last. Dropping the tailgate and releasing one of the two release tethers will allow you to begin to roll the cover up towards the cab of the truck. As you can see, operation is easy. Even while filming and with one hand, the cover rolls up on itself with no issues. No drilling or modification to the truck is required to install this cover. BAK uses 3 C-clamps per side to fasten the cover to the bed rails on the F-150. The end result is a great looking and functioning cover with improved capability than its cousin, the X4S. If you have any questions for us on the X4TS, drop us a comment on this video. We will provide a link to this cover on our website in the description below. The X4TS is currently $200 off through December 3rd, 2024, so now is a great time to pull the trigger on this one if you've been looking to take your truck to the next level. Thanks for watching.